Let's look at this 1999 JAMB question. If open bracket a raised to the power 2 times b raised to the power minus 3 times c close bracket all raised to the power 3 over 4 divided by a raised to the power minus 1 times b raised to the power 4 times c raised to the power 5 is equals to a raised to the power p times b raised to the power q times c raised to the power t. What is the value of p plus 2q? If you look at this question now, we resolve this left hand side so that it can be equal to the right hand side. So, solution. We have a square 3c 3 over 4 over a minus 1 b raised to the power 4 c raised to the power 5 is equals to a b raised to the power q and c raised to the power t. If you look at the numerator, you will notice that this is a product power law. So you distribute this power over the number in this bracket. It will now be a 2 times 3 over 4 plus b minus 3 times 3 over 4 times c 3 over 4 all over a raised to the power 1 times b raised to the power 4 times c raised to the power 5 is equals to a raised to the power p, b raised to the power q times c raised to the power t. If you look at here now, we have 2 here, we have 1, 2 here, we become 2. So a will now be 3 over 2, 3 over 2. B will now be minus 3 times 3, which is minus 9 over 4, times b raised to the power minus 9 over 4. Then c will now be c raised to the power 3 over 4, all over the denominator, a raised to the power minus 1, b raised to the power minus 4, and c raised to the power 5, which is equals to a raised to the power p, b raised to the power q, c raised to the power t. So from here now, this and this are the same, and from division law, we said we subtract the power, which will now be a 3 over 2 minus bracket minus 1. Therefore, b will do the same, times b raised to the power minus 9 over 4 minus 4. Do the same for c. Now be c raised to the power 3 over 4 minus 5, which is equals to a b dot b q dot c t. From here now, you know that minus times minus will become plus. So now be 2 times 1 plus 3, which is 5. A will now be 5 over 2. So times, for here we have b raised to the power minus 9 over 4 minus 4. 4 times minus 4 will give you minus 16. Minus 9 will give you minus 25. Now b raised to the power minus 25 over 4. There, in one of c, we have 4. 4 times 5 will give you 20. Minus 3 will give you c raised to the power minus 17 over 4, which is equals to a raised to the power p times b raised to the power q times c raised to the power t. If you look at this question now, this is equal to this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. That means P will be equal to this, Q will be equal to this, and T will be equal to this. So P will now be equal to 5/2, comma, Q will now be minus 25/4, comma, and T will now be minus 17/4. From here now, we are asked to find P plus 2Q. So P plus 2Q will now be P, which is 5/2, plus 2 times Q, which is minus 25/4. Therefore, 2 here we have 1, 2 here we have 2. So it will now be equals to 5/2 minus 25/2, which will now be equals to 5 minus 25 will give you minus 20/2. So this divide this, our answer will now be minus 10. That's our answer for this question.